Watch, watch. You know, son of man, of the world, it's not a plan. A franchise you choose, the 10-star general. And you know when time now represent for Gaza. You know when time now drop necessary equipment. A loud explosion. You know me not play with it. You know me not laugh with it. You know I know all the thing. Anytime I come about here. So me I say, all them there, where them there did there, all them there, them idiot bloggers there, where that done Gaza 2 months ago and a two Vibes Cartel underneath the bus and a hide from YouTube today. Eh? All them there. Them look at idiot bloggers that what claim say them want disrespect Gaza and disrespect the general. You know what I mean? On YouTube 2-3 months ago. And today, them a hide from the internet today, eh? But them there, tell you already, So if you know how you come on and chat about, and you just come lip up on the mouth saying, nothing at all guaranteed in this life, I'm telling you, And that little clown there, when named Gully Duppy, that little clown there. Let me tell you something when you talk about cartel or job, old trap. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about Vibes Cartel, you. Vibes Cartel now have to drop a next song again in our history, that. Vibes Cartel things stamp and seal up, You don't know that? Gravel and cement and steel up, And a lollipop thing, You know how much it's Vibes Cartel have, you? You know when Vibes Cartel come on road, when I perform no show with nobody. Unless a Sunfest and them show that any show them a give you half a we alone up on it, I will bring Gaza Nation if you want, or Gaza member, I want to pack it off a tall to, and a lollipop thing, You know how much it's Vibes Cartel have where the world never seen perform it, Me not tell you about, Me not tell you about, since him there in a lock up, Me not tell you about, from him there road. People don't get to watch him perform them shit, them rascal shit there. So I not tell you if it's a if or a must. You know what I mean? Me ain't no argument about it. The general a drop a road this year and then a lollipop thing. And the whole place have a bomb down and someone will have chat up with them out and so on and go do. Because I think Buju Banton have a drop in a December too. You know what I mean? And you don't know. When you talk about music, you know what I mean? Educate people in the music. The body not really to educate people in the music like them two man there. What me I tell you about. And for them man they don't know Buju Banton get a degree in a fucking prison. So you don't have to ask the amount of teaching you have to get. You know what I mean? And you already see Vibes Cartel book when put out already and the Havoc way create out the road. So I'm not tell you about the books them where I read and a white and a uplifting fucking knowledge. You know what I mean? So you know so when time him drop a road and you know so all Gaza Nation knowledge upgrade to and the rest of the world. You know what I mean? Because you know Vibes Cartel and I laugh with it, You know, and a lollipop thing. But me tell you something now, MVP bloggers. Because I see so they don't have nothing to talk about. I'm not concentrate because I make the people them tell you where they want to tell you and the media tell you where they want to tell you and you get shook. Yo, my father's son not involved in or nothing. They don't get involved in either probably the dispute with him and the local man them why my father that for good on them. Remember man, after the killing go on and the burning up and all of them shit, they remember the man them circle my father mansion in my virtue. And then them circle my father mansion for my father, my father never there, And them see the local man them there and them hold on for who them want hold on for. I remember as soon as them find out say my father's son, And they saw them do, them let go the rest of the people them and them still hold it. Because them say yo, them want my father for question because them think my father will come in from them hold him son and say question. You know what I mean? And my father never come. And through my father not forward, what them do? Them slap charge on him, take it an inch further, slap charge on him and think my father go run come. You know what I mean? All my father years at Jamaica, my father never really see Jamaica run go for no man we get wanted in America yet, So uno can't while up Movada and I tell him, come now, come this, you know. Movada now go do that now, my brother. Because Movada know him son innocent, you know. I'm telling you that, you know. The man know him son innocent, you know. So I don't know a lollipop thing, you know. Yes, you know, where see true, you know, watch what go on, you know, listen what go on, because everybody quick to jump and run them more, them not see what go on, and move all of them want to hold on upon, you know, to run them look for upon him, you know, because them want to think them can link him with whatever happened in a cassava piece, you know. Yes, you know, I deal it. I don't know that, yes, you know, I deal it. But it's true, my general vibes cartel, sure several them here. Because remember cartel come out, you know. I make my father know, you know, don't trust nobody now, you know. So I don't see, say, you know, the respect still there, you know, I deal with. So from my general vibes cartel, I show the respect, they ain't no way. You can't come and think you can say, you have to violate my father, no. So I'm not going to do that. Yes, you know, I deal, because I'm not going to be like them look waste bloggers there for MVP. Who the whole of them think them can cuss Vybz Kartel and think them can sing Vybz Kartel. You see what I deal? And right now, them not have nothing for blood clot this sport boy. Nothing at all. Them not even have a good word, a line to talk about Movada. You hear me I say? All over the place I see them there. I see how some of them run gone but them all talk about massacre. You know what I mean? You know I run and go over there and I run up on them more. When I stick to the story, man, that's how I deal with it, yo. What original, man. With a move, man. A real thing, man, I tell you about. One way we deal with it, man, and a 10-star way, man. Gaza way, man. There ain't no other way, man. We don't run up and down, man. We don't switch blade, yo. You hear that? We don't do that. You hear that? You have to know that. The general, the 10-star one, I represent in a live and living colors. When I know I'm not play with it when I drop the big thing there. So I say all them there, where them there did there. Eh? I thought them look a clown bloggers there where they run off their mud from Gaza 2 months ago and I hide from YouTube today. Eh? Where them there? Watch. The general, the 10-star one, are representing a live and loud living colors. I'm going to tell you now already when you're not dig one hole, you know. You have to dig a next one. One for you and one for the next person. And a lollipop thing. And you drop now the one where you dig and no blood clot body now there to help you. What? And the general, the 10-star one, are representing a live and living colors. Watch.